children, I am your social teacher Vasantha. So today's topic, same last class, continue the class, our defense forces. Already know that what's the responsibility of the defense forces. So in our defense force, how to sacrifice their life, and what is the divisions, especially, so how many divisions is there. So in last class you know that. So today, so defense force of India take part in the so already we know that. So depend Independence Day, Republic Day celebration, India has displayed their military strength, how the strength is there. So firstly, Indian Army. So before, so many training centers is there, especially defense forces. We learn fighting skill, and National Defense College also established. Defense Service Training Center also is there. Indian Military Academy also is there. So all the student can concentrate to join, and so can give the interest to join the defense forces. So that is our primary responsibility also. Please children, you join the any defense forces, so you can join. So firstly, Indian Army. So Indian Army, especially Indian Army, is the second largest in the world. So in our country only, the second places is there. The army comprise of infantry, cavalry, tank regiments. So overall, armored corps, gunner regiments, or artillery. So totally, how many soldiers is there in our country? Second place. There are 11 lakh soldiers, and 9 lakh 60,000 reserve force in the army. You can understand children, 11 lakh. So that is a soldier strength only Indian Army. The service of the chief of the army is called general. This is most important. The service chief of the army is called general. He is responsible for the discharging duties related to the control of the force, training, operation, and administration. So in the Indian Army, head office based in New Delhi. So that's the headquarters of the Indian Army. So that is situated in New Delhi. The army has been rendering valuable humanitarian. So already you know that natural calamities time also, flood, earthquake, or droughts time, landslides. So this natural calamities time also can give support to the people. And the land army, apart from being technically advanced, it has also its own spy agencies. So another one type, so this is Indian Navy. The naval force are necessary for the protection of the islands and coastal line. Already you know that. So that is a coastal areas, eastern, western, and southern parts. Three parts only water body is there, 6,100. So that's the water body. So that's why can cover islands also. Which one islands? Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep islands also is there. So can give protection purpose. The Indian Navy is the sixth largest in the world. Sixth largest. The service chief is called Admiral. What is that? Chief office? The service chief is called Admiral. Its headquarters also situated in same place, New Delhi. The Indian Navy consists of advanced missile ships. So what's the name of the submarines and ships? INS Vibhuti, INS Godavari, and INS Virat, INS Vikramaditya. So this is the most important ships and submarines, and well equipped with fighters, aircrafts, and naval base of India. Navy is situated in Karwar. So there's a Karnataka state, which is known as Seabird. So this is most important. Children, another one division, that is Indian Air Force. So that is very fastest mode of the Air Force, is the very fast work. The Indian Air Force is the fifth biggest in the world. You remember children, Indian Air Force is the fifth biggest in the world. Its service chief is called Air Chief Marshal. It is head office situated same place, the New Delhi. For administrative convenience, the Indian Air Force is divided into 5 commanding stations. The command stations at Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Dindigul, Tamil Nadu, so have important training centers as a result of advancement of latest technology. So recently so many war or clashes, border disputes can creating, that's why that's the advancement of latest technology. It is equipped with fighter aircrafts to face any eventuality. So our air force is equipped with latest fighter aircrafts like Jaguar. The air force comprise 1 lakh airmen and 1330 fighters aircrafts also is there. Children, the strength of the Air Force is a matter of pride to the countryman. So all the people can give the clap to Air Forces also. So other operational Air Forces also is there. Already you know that. So border security forces and border security forces, coastal forces, CRPF, you know that, BSF also, coastal guards also is there. So this is only can give the strength to our country. And another one, central industrial security forces and NCC nowadays can give the encourage to students. So as usual 6th to PU or degree students, so that is NCC, National Credit Corps, and home guards also, and civil police forces also is there, national security group also, and Red Cross, Indian Red Cross Society also can give the strength to the defense forces. Recently that is adding to defense forces. Children, so who's the supreme power of the defense force are vested with the President of India. Who is our President? President of India is Ramnath Kovind. Overall, so that is the supreme power. So that is the first citizen of India. We know that. So same supreme power of the defense force, all the 3 forces vested with the President of India. So children, next, so I give the homework. So you do the homework also. First you draw the India map. So all the given homework you do well. Children, thank you.